Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Web Tech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for Acorns account. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, open a web browser, or you can also open up the Acorns mobile application on your mobile devices. Inside the URL box, type in acorns.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing this will take you to the official site for Acorns. So in order to get started and sign up, click on the Get Started button at the top right hand corner. Now on the next page, go ahead and enter a valid email address that you would like to register with. Once you are done, click on Next. Verify your email address, click on Looks Good if your email is correct, and on the next page, create a password for your account. Make sure to use these criteria included in your password. If you are a US resident, 18 years or older, agree to this terms and condition by checking on this little circle and click Next. You will need to claim your Mighty Oak card, so scroll down and click on this Claim Your Card button in order to claim your card. On the next page, claim your Mighty Oak Visa debit card. Go through the information and click on Claim Your Card, or if you want to do this later, you can click on Maybe Later. Now on the next page, you'll need to fill in some of your information such as your legal first name, last name, and your birthday. After you are done, click on Next. Fill in your residential address information on the next page. After filling in all of the information, click Next and verify your phone number that you just entered. Enter the code that you received via your mobile number, or if you want to receive a code via email, click on Email My Code instead. Now go ahead and open up your email inbox and receive a code from Acorns. Click Open the email and you will see the code. Simply copy the code, paste it in the verification text box and click Confirm. Once you've verified your email, you will be able to turn on the two-factor authentication. On the next page, enter your social security number in order to complete your account creation. After it's done, click Next and follow the prompts till the end. You will be able to create a new account for Acorns right away. So that is how you will be able to create a new account on acorns.com. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.